Hi, Caitlyn. All right, thank you for resubmitting um, your reformatted work. I've got the work up right here. So just let me fit
It's
this in the
7
window and then we can go ahead
o'clock.
and take a look. Okay, so it's a great start, definitely, no doubt. Everything, all the components are in place, and that's fantastic. So I just have a couple of recommendations just to improve the page mechanics a little bit. So I think the main thing we're looking at is alignment and scale. So a couple of suggestions as far as your type goes. So your experience paradise and then your subhead are set up nicely. But what I'm going to recommend is this: is we want to anchor the ad a little bit. The lower right hand corner is really an excellent place for the logo because it's typically where viewers exit the page right here. So we enter the page right here. We read down and to the right, right? So that typically means we exit the page right here. So let's reinforce that exit strategy by placing the logo right there so we can reinforce branding in that regard. And then at that point, I think what I would do is I would place the logo down here, and then I would probably assemble the type right up here across the top so we have room to bring those sunglasses down here so that they're seemingly associated with the composition and not the logo. Right now up here they appear to be like they can almost be mistaken as part of the logo, and we don't want to do that. Typically your style guide restrictions indicate that you have X amount of area for which not to place other elements near a logo. Now, we don't have that in our specific example, but I think that just to clean up the ad itself, I think we're going to get the glasses away from the logos just so we can eliminate the possibility of the viewer thinking the glasses are part of the logo. So let's move the logo lower right, sunglasses lower left. Let's take the address and span the top of the ad. And that's going to open up the area quite a bit. So what we're going to do then is move this up a little bit, establish your left margin, move the headline up a little bit, bring the subhead in and left align it right underneath the headline. So headline, subhead are in alignment. Watch my cursor, and they start right about here somewhere. Then I would reduce the size of the text box and also reduce the size of um, the typeface for the this paragraph right here, the paragraph of body copy, and I would place it something like right here. I think that's a really good spot for it, right there. So instead of spanning the entire ad and kind of obstructing some pretty good area of the background image, we're going to try to reduce that by placing the type right here, somewhere right around in here in that configuration. And I think and then also I don't recommend using black. This seems to be quite visible, this color. So try to set your type in this kind of teal color, see how that works, or a combination of teal and purple to create continuation from the logo. And then this type here, try to figure out what color you'll place it here. Um, Again, probably purple might be your best choice there, but see how it works, see how it's the most visible. Um, if you have issues with visibility, one thing that you can do is just create in your type box, create a color and just really reduce the heck out of it, really screen it back so it's almost fully transparent, but it has just a little bit. Even better if you take a section of this background and just add a little bit of a blur to it, and a section like this, right? So you create a selection, you duplicate the background in that selection and just create a slight blur, and then you can place your logo on that. So those are the two options you have, really. I think the two best options. What you don't want to do is place your type in a color box. So if you do use a color, I would maybe recommend using the teal color and just really screen it back, which means reduce the heck out of the opacity, and then place your text accordingly. That's an option. If it fits without having to do that, that's the superior option because you're creating a greater degree of harmony between the type and the background image itself. Okay, great job. Thank you so much. And if you have any questions at all, please let me know. Thank you very much.